Okay.
It's our first day of school. This is Riley's first time going to school.
Okay,
Riley,
that's
can you tell
good.
everybody about kindergarten?
Awesome.
Connor, can you tell them what grade you're going in?
I'm going into 4th grade.
Okay. Good deal.
You guys excited?
Yeah.
You ready to walk to school? Okay. Say goodbye.
Okay.
Riley?
Oh, I'm sorry.
No, it's okay.
Bye, sweetie.
Telling stories already.
He's already lying to everybody.